These are the RV step mats. There are 4 of them. There's gray on this side, black on the underside. They come with a lint lifting cloth. I've seen some lint on here and it's coming right off real quick. I guess that's what that is. It comes with 10 Velcro adhesive backed Velcro strips. These are 24 inches long. Get that right. They will stick to either side. About equally in stickiness. Because there's so much Velcro, you can cut these to any size you want and place them as needed on your steps. Very soft feel. I think the dogs and cats are going to love lying on this. And of course, with the lint cloth, you can clean up the mess afterwards, the hair. Very nice. Very nice indeed.